All right, guys, so check this out. All new, one of the hottest requested items we've had for our front bumpers is the addition of more storage options up front. So we designed this hood basket to be very low profile, very low on the vehicle, so that when you actually start piling this up with some storage, you can still see where you're going down the trail. We made it incredibly lightweight. It's not only, not only does it look good, but the cutouts are completely functional. They're able to throw some straps up here, able to throw some bungees up here, get everything tied down, secured. We've even got light mounts for this. So tons of options. I'm really excited for y'all to check this out. Definitely one of the hottest requested items we've had for our Thumper Fab bumpers. And we even made it to fit the stock bumper if you're still rocking a stock bumper. So check it out, thumperfab.com, and we'll see you on the trail.